There was a time when Venice ruled the seas and the senses. And though centuries have passed, the music continues. We spent our second day in the floating city, walking the same streets as iconic Venetians, Vivaldi, Casanova, Titian, and Marco Polo. The same streets walked by thousands of artists, composers, writers, and creative geniuses who drew inspiration from between the walls of these narrow alleys. Venice is always a good idea. Stay with us as we spend our second day in this magnificent city, exploring treasures on the cobblestone streets.
Ponga la mano en la cintura.
Tra quanto esci da scuola?
Et on est à 300 mètres.
Was it good?
Good.
No. It's this place. I was going to say it looks French first. On the same street as where Gary got his tiramisu.
A big pizza pie is amore.
is us going into the Aqua Alta bookshop. And there's a queue. But I think it's gonna be worth it.
What's food we're gonna have?
Can I have another one?
What did you get?
Cheese. Cheeses.
17.90. First spaghetti bolognese. The land of spaghetti and bolognese.
Giorgio, mi amore, I had thought you said that you knew your way around the city of Venice.
I do. I am just taking the scenic route. It is the most beautiful, and it perfectly complements you, mi amore. My friends, join us for part 3 of our Venetian travel vlog, soon. You can also watch part 1, where we thought we were going to fall into the Grand Canal. Nobody tells you how wobbly gondolas are, eh?